Angeles Hamala, welcome back to Sil Ladakh channel. Tini didinga cases are BPYQ series se second question book hudle. So the question goes like, who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? And the options are PT Usha, Mary Kom, Karna Maleshwari and Sania Mirza. If you know the answer, please comment below. Otherwise, please stay with me. So the correct answer is Karnam Maleshwari. Karnam Maleshwari was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Then baki ngati option wins then leki kunchi fema uziskan. So PT Usha alal PT Usha kitna ngati famous Indian sprinter jinole. Then kon like kitna she's often called as the Payole Express. Sprinter means kon kitna first runner jinole. Tini 1984 Los Angeles Olympic inang kuga kon nakita fourth position din siya le tinang kun 0.01 second late suskya ka bijaste kon nakita na third position no din siya tinang kun na Olympic medal ma thuskya khale 0.01 second kon late suskya tinang kun fourth position bo kita na fourth position mani ma thuskya tini second question but second option buduk pinle Mary Kom Mary Kom kete now kun Indian boxer jinole then kun inig name kete magnificent Mary ang zetenole then kun six-time world championship six-time world champion do tenole then kun kete na 2012 London Olympic nang kuwa kete na kun uh, bronze medal kun jitai sonskela in women's flyweight boxing in Anguga. And she is the first Indian women boxer to win an Olympic medal, but not the Indian women overall to win an Olympic medal. तिने Karnam Maleshwari kon kitana weight lifter jinole 2000 Sydney Olympic inamkuga kon 89 sorry 69 kg category weightlifting inamku kon kitana bronze medal jitai sunske hale kon kitana 2000 Sydney Olympic inamku jitai sunske ka vijasto kon kitana first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal kon kitana 2000 Sydney Olympic inamkuga kon bronze medal jitai sunske but Mary Kom kitana nam jitai sunskya khona bronze khona kitana medal nam thupskya 2012 finam ko hele yani matlab Sydney जो current Maleshwari kitana 2000 inam kuga but Mary Kom nam thupskya 2012 finam kuga yani Mary Kom 12 years sisting man khonam also bronze medal ma thupskya wete jaste Karnam Maleshwari she is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Then fourth option buduk pinle Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza kun kitana Indian tennis player jinole. Then kun kitana Grand Slam title mapoji kun jitai sunskya. But she never won an Olympic medal. She represented India at the Olympic but never won an Olympic medal. So this makes Karnam Maleshwari the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. So with this, ngati question boards hardly. Tini ngane question related yang question mampuji yang competitive exam mampuji na dupingle. Tini ngane question ngati chika inpin Olympic based ka dupinale. Then also related yang question ngati kachik extend le PYQs in different competitive exam. जैसे कि ये क्वेश्चन बकिता ना SSC CHSL 2019 नाम को yung kanjing nongle question is PT Usha won medals in which event in the Asian Games and the options are swimming sprinting and hurdles long jump and weightlifting kasangal lang atistas tinle PT Usha skola tini if you remember please comment below kadis itu mednangatang yang gumanilan projects tinle ini PT Usha kitenang kun kitna chen ole sprinter jino yani कि कौन runner jino ले then कौन 1984 for Los Angeles Olympic इन कुगा कौन fourth position दिस क्या ले then कौन 0.01 second late such which तो कौन Olympic medal miss सोच क्या चीन को इन क्या कौन कितना 400 meter hurdles यानी कि ची तुपन hurdle ना sprinter तिफे answer चीनो answer वो कितना इनोले sprinting and hurdles इनोले PT Usha then second question budugle ये question book कितना SSC CGL 2016 नो को yung kanji nugle then who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic and the options are Abhinav Bindra Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore Vijendra Singh and Sushil Kumar and the correct answer which knows na Abhinav Bindra inogle Beijing Olympic 2008 dinako chakan benako tem khun chinako ka event inako khuna gold medal thopskia zinali shooting 10 meter air rifle nako thopskia khale the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at Olympics so inogena Abhinav Bindra hele teni ang question chik dugle SSC CPO 2020 no koy kanjinole quite recent then Mary Kom won her Olympic bronze medal in which weight category? Tini Mary Kom kita nukun weight lifter inu kane. Tini ka category nuko kono bronze medal thaps kya lo. Tini ira una itu na iyi PPT chichi ka yut pinle inele 51 kg category nuko kon bronze medal jita isus kya ole. If your answer buchi nule 51 kg no 51 kg category weightlifting in Anko 2012 London Olympic in Anko kun kitna bronze medal jida isus kya khale flyweight boxing in Anko then the next question we kitna RRB NTPC 2019 Nanko yung kanjinole then Karnam Maleshwari won a bronze medal in the Olympic in which sport yung kitna Karnam Maleshwari related ngati question tena question in Anko yut pinle tenira una itu yutna comment razadle itu medanga tayang ko manilang po 16 le karnam maleshwari chinang ko dupin le kon category nang ko malap ka event ko no zana kon weight lifting inang ko no hele weight lifting inang ko 69 kg category nang ko kon 3000 Sydney Olympic nang ko bronze medal ko ni top le then kon kita first Indian women to win an Olympic medal yang e point important देखिए आंसर bu chanukle chinongku ga inokon weight lifting inoko hele Sydney 2000 Olympic inoko ga konjita isintyo. Then in which year did India win its first Olympic medal in hockey? 1928, 1932, 1936 and 1948. Now ये question boy ostunole railway group D 2018 nangko ga. Then correct answer boy nole 1928 Amsterdam Olympic. Na chakan jinole Olympic inoko kon first India kitana first Olympic medal in hockey no ko jita isme kya then chi thoskia gante time kitna gold medal thoskia to and last but not the least question yang sisi dugle the term Olympiad refers to option dugle a medal winning ceremony second option the period of 4 years between Olympic games a torch lightning event D udugle a sport competition between continent. Tini question book ketana SCC GD 2021 inogle. Tini answer bu inogle a period of 4 years between Olympic game. Tini yung yung question was Harley. For the next question, stay tuned and subscribe or follow our channel. Thank you.